Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Calendar effectively in 2025. Whether you are a student, a professional, and a content creator, this is not just about adding events. It's about using Google Calendar as your personal assistant for better productivity and time management. Let's get into it. First of all, go to calendar.google.com, or you can click Google Apps button, then search for calendar, then you are in the dashboard. On the left side, your calendars, quick create button and mini month view. Center your daily, weekly, monthly agenda. Top right, switch view, switch views, days, week, task, month, schedule for or 4 day. Pro tip, use week view my favorite to see both structure and flexibility. You can also enable or disable specific calendars like holidays or reminders from the left sidebar to reduce clutter. Let's add an event. Click on any time slot or click create button, then select event, add a title like today's activity, then set start and ending time, end time, or make it an all day event. Add location or Google Meet link. Click join with Google Meet, then add location, and click save, or you can attach Google Drive file, then click save or more option and save it. Google Calendar shines you with recurring events. Just set an event and click repeat. Choose daily, weekly, monthly, or custom like every morning, Monday to Wednesday at 3 p.m. Now for time blocking, block chunks of time for our tasks like content planning, deep work, study time. Treat these blocks like real appointments. It helps you stay focused. On the right panel, click the checkmark icon. That's Google Tasks. You can add to those, set deadlines, drag tasks directly onto your calendar, use tasks for one-off things and events for scheduled blocks or meetings. This keeps your calendar organized and actionable. Just click add task and name it Don't miss anything important. Set email or pop-up notifications when creating events. You can add multiple reminders, for example, 1 day before and 10 minutes before. On mobile, you will also get push notifications. If something is really critical, add a notification plus a task for extra backup. Working in teams or with clients, you can share calendars. Click the three dots next to calendar. Go to settings. Share with others by email. Download the Google Calendar app on Android or iOS. It syncs automatically with your web calendar and ends smart notifications on the go. Bonus: sync with Google Tasks, Google Assistant, and even your smartwatch. Add events with your voice. Hey Google, schedule a call for 3 p.m. tomorrow. Super helpful for staying organized anywhere. Quick recap: use color coded events and time blocks, integrate tasks and reminders, automate recurring events, collaborate through shared calendars. That's it. That's how you use Google Calendar like a pro in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more digital productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.